Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar and to a nice song here from the National. It's featuring Taylor Swift. This one is called Alcott. Alright, so it's a strong song in some way, and yeah, let's take a look at this one. It's piano based, but it fits guitar in a great way anyway, because it's just a matter of downs. You could fill out a little bit more, but we'll strip down to just straight downs and work with the chords. All right, so no need for any cape on this one. Let's take a look at the chords. First off, D minor, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have C next, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G, two variations here. I'm going to show you the first one here, the standard without any bar here. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We can also take a bar chord G here, and that is nice for this song. I'm going to show you why pretty soon, but this is a bar here on the third fret over all strings, and then the rest will be fifth on A, fifth on D, and fourth on G. All right, so let's move on to F. It's another bar chord, this time on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Then we have a C sus chord, but with a G in the bass. So again, you place a bar here on the third fret over all strings, and then the rest will be fifth on D and fifth on G. That's the C sus version. I'm gonna call it the C sus. And then we have the D sus also. It's the same grip, you just move it up 2 frets towards you. So you land with the bar on now on the 5th fret over all strings, and the rest will be 7th on D and 7th on G. That's the D sus version with A in the bass. All right. And then finally we have the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, guys, so this is just a matter of downs. It goes in a pretty slow pace there as well, so you will have time to play and do the chord switches. All right, so let's take a look at the verses. It's played D minor 2 times, then C 2 times, and C 1 time and G 1 time. So it starts with D minor, C, G. Play that for 2 rounds. And that's 1/2 of the chord progression. So D minor 2, C1, and G1 for 2 rounds. And then the second half of it will be F 2 rounds. Then C1 and G1, and repeat that, F2, C1, and G1. That is 1 full chord progression round. You will play that for 2 full rounds here in the verses. So to repeat, D minor, C, G, D minor, C, G, then F, C, G, F, C, G. Play that part for 2 rounds, and that is the verse play. Now, next up is the chorus. Okay, so you're gonna play the C sus now for 4 rounds, 4 downs, that means. Then the G, and now it's very convenient to go to the bar chord G, so that's why we have the G in the bar chord matter. So you just switch up to this position here, from the C sus to this. You don't have to move your bar finger. So 4 times on the C sus, then G 4 downs, then you go to the D sus. Okay, so 4 times, and then back to G 4 times. So that chord progression, C sus 4, G4, D sus 4, and G4, you play that for 2 rounds, and that is the chorus play. Then at 2 minutes and about 45 seconds into the song comes a bridge part. So you're gonna play F, 4 downs, then A minor, 4 downs, then C, 4 downs, and a G. And here I'll like the standard G, 4 downs. That chord progression, 4 downs per chord, F, A minor, C, and G. You play that for 2 rounds. And then it finishes off with a third chorus played in the same way as the previous choruses. And that, my friends, pretty much covers the Nationals with Taylor Swift. And the song is called Alcott. So give it a try, guys. Great song. Until next time, play tuned.